Yo, what's up guys? It's Kevin Pack here. And I got a lot of questions about what my actual desk setup is and where did I get my pieces, where did I get my desk, where did I get my lamp and all that good stuff. So people want to know, what is my work setup? What is my desk setup? So I thought it'd be a fun, cool little video to kind of go over everything that I bought to set up my desk. Now, personally, I find that your work environment is super important. And I think a lot of people can agree on that. And me being a, business owner and entrepreneur, and I work on my own, it's very important that my setup is set up the way that basically keeps me efficient, keeps me motivated, and fits my style and my liking as well. So the environment's got to match me in some way, and so my desk setup is set up in a way that I like it as of now. Taste and style can always change, but this is kind of my current setup right now, and I only spent like less than $600 on this setup in total. So you guys are going to basically go through a walkthrough of everything that I got for this desk setup. And of course, I'm going to leave all of these items that I mentioned in the link in the description below, so you guys can check it out if you want some of these pieces. Now, the theme that I really wanted to go for was a modern minimalistic style, and I know that's super basic, that you see it all over YouTube, but I wanted to really get into it and really feel it because, my old background environment was just very boring. It was not my taste or anything like that, so I really wanted to set up my desk the way I want it, and I'm very big into the whole minimalistic modern look right now because that's what I like. And so you're gonna see lights and everything like that, and I've always wanted like LED lights around my desk and everything. I thought they look super cool, and I feel like LED lights really set the mood for your environment and stuff like that. So it's definitely gonna have some LED lights, so keep that in mind. Along this design, you're gonna see a lot of whites, blacks, silvers, and I really wanted to contrast it with some kind of color, so that's where the lights come in. Now, the first piece is the major piece, and of course, this is gonna be the desk itself. And I bought a Linman desk from IKEA, and it was about $23, and it's this really white color. It's about 47 inches long, and it's a pretty reasonably large desk. I feel like this desk is a good size, and the quality of the desk is pretty damn sturdy. I mean, it's a pretty thick, solid piece of wood, so I really like this desk a lot. A lot of the parts you'll see here are from IKEA because your boy is Money Saving Jones. And the cool thing about this desk is I actually built this desk myself, as far as like, it's not one complete set where you can just buy it yourself on IKEA. You actually have to buy separate pieces for this to be assembled. So the legs of this table are olive, something like that, but they are on IKEA for $15 each. And they are adjustable as well. Now, I really wish that I got the desk that actually automatically rises and lowers itself, that adjusts up and down. This one's a manual one, and I thought, you know what? When I feel like changing it, I want to stand up, then I could just, screw it. But these screws are really a pain. So I literally just left it in a fixed position. I'm just like, forget it. I'm just gonna sit down for my work. But I really wish I opted in for the more expensive adjustable desks that you can automatically bring up or down, so you can sit or stand whenever you want. I really wish I opted for it. I might be getting that in the future, but for now, this is the setup, and it really wasn't expensive. When you put the parts together with the olive legs and then the Linman desk, it only comes out to like $30, $40. It's really not expensive, and it's a solid piece of desk, and the legs are very sturdy, so I really like the legs. To complement the desk, of course, we're going to have this chair, and this chair, I love this chair. I feel like it's a super comfortable, modern CEO feeling type of chair. Very comfortable, has some lumbar support. But this chair, it was more expensive than the desk itself. It was about $260, but damn it, it was worth the money because let's think about it. If I'm working on my desk and I'm gonna be sitting all day, I wanna be comfortable and I wanna feel good while I'm sitting on my desk or sitting on my chair. So this chair is called Jarvafa Jallet. Yes, that's what it's called. If anyone can translate that for me, that would help a lot, but that is the damn chair that I got. It's adjustable up and down, of course. It has some legs and everything, and it has this armrest. Now there is a version of it that's slightly cheaper that doesn't have any armrest, but I'm like, okay, what the hell? If I'm gonna be spending this type of money, I might as well have the armrest, and I kind of need it. So I love this chair. It's super comfortable and it really helps with my posture while I'm sitting. Moving on to the next thing is one of the things that you guys definitely point out and have mentioned before, and it's this table lamp. It's a Hector table lamp, and it was $55, and it's a cool lamp. I don't really use it too often. I only use it when I actually read, because the light is like a yellow fluorescent light or something, so it's not too harsh, and it looks really cool. I think I needed something to contrast my white wall and my desk because they're both white. So I wanted some kind of darker themed color. I didn't want black. I like grays, so I went with this Hector gray lamp. And it also has a nice little charging port for a USB on the side. So that's really, really helpful and really clutch, because then I could just plug in my phone and charge it right there. And it's really convenient. The next item I have that I get a lot of question about is my laptop stand. And this is the laptop stand that basically holds my MacBook Pro, my 16-inch. And it's a really, really cool laptop stand. Very simple, very minimalistic, gets the job done. I got it on Amazon, and it's called a Nulixi laptop stand. Gives me just the right height for me to look straight forward at my screen instead of pointing my head down, you know, cranking up my neck and everything, getting all uncomfortable. So having that elevation is really, really good. But having that elevation also means I have to get a keyboard separately. So the laptop stand I spent $30 on, and I got it from Amazon. So of course, we all know Amazon's a great place to buy accessories and whatnot. So following up with that, I got a keyboard and mouse combo, and this one's from Fox on Amazon as well. And I got this for about $35. And this one's a really cool one. This one matched more of my MacBook Air. That was a silver one. Now I have the space gray one, so it doesn't really match all that well, but I'm still gonna be using it for my MacBook because it still complements the whites around the theme. The wireless keyboard and mouse are really easy to use, but the only thing is the mouse itself, although I like the simple look of it, it doesn't really hold well at the bottom. The bottom for some reason always like comes off and everything. I don't know if that's like a faulty part for my specific item or if that's just how they all are, but that's my experience with it, and I think I need to possibly upgrade that in the future. I hear a lot of tech people using Logitech mouses and stuff, so I might have to look into that and see what that's about. But nonetheless, it still gets the job done for $35, and that's the Fox keyboard and mouse. Along with the keyboard and mouse, I did need a nice little pad, like some kind of, not gaming pad or anything, but a pad just to put on my keyboard and also my mouse as well. So I got this Victising extended gaming mouse pad, and it's a pretty good size. I really like the size of it. It gives me a lot of space, and it's very soft and comfortable. Sticks to the desk really well, so it doesn't move around a lot. But I think it's a nice contrast to the desk as well. To complement the mat, I also got some pads for the keyboard and also the mouse as well from Gimars, and it was a combo. They come together with the mouse pad and along with the keyboard wrist pad. And definitely need that because we don't want no arthritis up in the wrist because that's gonna hurt. So being that my day is mostly on a desk and on my laptop, I think it was a good move to get some kind of protection for the long term. And last but not least, the LED lights I use to light up my desk and also light up my TV back there as well. I got this from Amazon, and it's called a Govee Smart Light, and I actually really like this. This is a really easy to use light system, and it comes with an app. It was pretty simple, and I think it comes with a good variety of colors as well. The light quality is really good as well, and it is compatible with Alexa, and that's one of the most important things. So it could be a very simple, Alexa, turn off all the lights. Alexa, turn on all the lights. See? Easy. Also, I always have a book on my desk from time to time, so I remember to read it. Right now, I am on the dichotomy of leadership right now. This book has been taking me forever to read because I've been just lagging, honestly. And then obviously my main source of work is going to be coming from my brand new MacBook Pro 16-inch. This is the one that just came out this year, I believe, in 2020 or like late 2019, something like that. But it is the latest and the top end of MacBooks. So this guy has been a killer and has been helping me with exporting videos, and the sound and picture quality is amazing. Really worth the money, and I love this laptop. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a quick little tour and office setup, or desk setup I should say, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you guys want to purchase any of the things down below, you guys can check it out. There's no affiliates or anything like that, so don't worry about it. It's just, if you guys want it, you guys know where to get it. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, like this video, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. God bless. Peace.